Guys, I just want to share with you the update of our front door. This is like a door swinging door glass from outside and it's a mess. It can hold on to themselves. Already broke my planter right there and it's really a mess. But we actually have somebody right now that are ready to install a new door. And I'm gonna show you the end result. Then I'm just gonna show you to the Fall Decor for outside. I made it very simple. So this is the old door. You can see right here. I'm gonna show you right now. You can see the light from outside. Usually, and this is not our second year yet in this house. And the first thing we noticed, the first winter we got here last year, this door was so open right there. You can see the light coming in. It's a big opening and the cold air in winter is crazy. You stand up there and it look like somebody have a fan in the outside just blowing to the inside. Crazy, we couldn't go anymore with this old door. But now this is the new one. I picked it from Lowe's. I'm in love with it. I just love the design. This is how it look outside. I think it looks so chic, so elegant, so simple, but this gold tone it give it to it an amazing touch. So right now I'm right here just trying to decorate. I found this wreath at Home Goods. So lucky that I was able to get two of the same style because I was looking at other ones with a more orange design, but it was only one of each one. So I didn't nothing that could match. So this one was the only one that I couldn't find that match perfect, and I'm in love with it. And I found this real green big pumpkin at Walmart for $5. So that was amazing, perfect matching for the wreath too. And this is me right now. I also a little trick just in case and that help you out in the future, even for Christmas. I put tape um, in the middle size of the that thing that you hang the wrist from the door, so in that way I won't scratch the door. And I also put the tape in behind the wrist because it had that material that is a little rough, so I did it just in case it won't damage the door. And you can put tape around and it will work perfectly. Right now, I'm getting ready to put the doormat. I'm gonna leave the old one in the bottom right there, like you see in front of the door, because I think it's gonna give it more texture and more elevation from the door. And this black and white stripe, I got it from Amazon. If you wanna find a little bit more about it, check out my other videos about my fall haul. From Amazon, I have Home Goods, Marshalls, and other stores. So you'll be able to find where I find the rest of the stuff, and maybe you can guess I'll choose one of these. I picked that one. It's in the video too. It shows you the store where I got it. I love this white and black stripe mat because I think you can use it all year round and even for Christmas, and it go perfect with the black door, the white color of the house, everything. I love how everything go together. And now I'm putting just this green pumpkin. I love this green pumpkin. I really got excited when I saw them. I wasn't expecting to get it. Yeah, very big for a very good deal. And this is some leaf that I got in a store, and I'm close to my house. That is a lot of like, I don't know, vintage stuff. And this is real leaf, and this is not like artificial or nothing like that. They actually real which it made everything even better, and the color is so beautiful. And then after days pass, I guess with the weather outside, it dried it up very nice and natural, and it looked even better. So I just put some of the normal natural color here, and I love this mix and match of color right here for fall. I had this I don't know how you would call it, like candle holder or lantern. I have it for a few years. Usually it was very decorated with like Christmas stuff, like a Christmas candle and Christmas decoration on the top. So I clean everything up, and I just took all the Christmas decoration that I have off, and I cleaned it up very nicely because the Christmas decoration was very old and already like with the weather and everything ruined. And I just tried to transform it to make a whole year around item like lantern, that can use all year round. And I love how it come out. I put some candle there that is LED control remote, very convenient. I can turn it on and off from the inside, and I love that kind of like a system. I don't have to go outside to turn it off for nothing. So yep, this is one of the best part that I like around this decoration system right here. I love it. Alright guys, this is the end result. I want to keep it very simple, just for the whole kind of like a fall, Thanksgiving theme thing. And this is the end. I just love how everything come up. Let me know in the comments down below what is the favorite stuff right here, or what you will change, or what you will do different. I will love to hear your opinions of what you think about this wreath. And I love the colors, so let me know if this is something that you will pick for your house, and what is your favorite thing around here. So thank you very much guys for watching, and so don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up, a smile, because you are beautiful.